My name is Lucas Parton, and I go to the Citadel, the Military College of South Carolina. How does CST prepare me as a future Army officer? Well, it puts you in positions where you're uncomfortable, and it gives you an opportunity to lead from the front, meet new people, puts you in a situation where you can figure out how to get out of it. So that's a very important lesson for a future Army officer. The only thing that I was nervous about for weapons qualification was being steady and have a steady trigger pull. But after I did multiple practice rounds at table 4 and table 5, that prepared me for table 6, which was the qualification. A few tips to future cadets is stay physically and mentally fit. You're going to be out here in this environment, it's going to be hot, you're going to be mentally challenged, and just make the most of it, be motivated, and stay mentally and physically fit.
Hello everybody, my name is Cadet Morphin, and today I was doing weapons qualification. Nerves during qualification, I mean a lot of things. Most of us have never held a weapon prior to getting here, and not doing it for a long time or doing it to a certain standard is what scared me. If it wasn't for the non-commissioned officers and the officers out here at CST, I would not be qualifying today. It took me a long time to understand that this is a family. This is a whole different environment. I've never been anywhere and felt more at home than in the United States Army.